Welcome to everyone. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of our motorcycle reviews, news, and more. Today, we're going to be diving deep into a bike that has earned a legendary status among cruiser enthusiasts. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750. If you've been following Honda's motorcycle lineup for years, you already know that the Shadow series has a long history of delivering fantastic motorcycles that combine style, performance, and value. But what about the 2026 model? Is it worth your attention? Let's find out. Before we dive into all the details, let's take a moment to thank our channel sponsors and supporters. Without them, videos like this wouldn't be possible. If you want to support the channel, check out the links in the description. Now, let's get into it. When you think of cruiser motorcycles, Honda's Shadow 750 is one of the first names that comes to mind. The model has become a go-to choice for beginner and intermediate riders who want something that looks good, sounds great, and most importantly, performs reliably on both short commutes and long highway cruises. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 continues that legacy, but with several important updates that enhance both comfort and performance. The Honda Shadow 750 has always been known for its V-twin engine, a smooth ride, and exceptional build quality. But with the 2026 model, Honda has made a number of refinements that have refined the Shadow experience for a new generation of riders. From its classic cruiser aesthetic to its performance under the hood, the 2026 Shadow 750 is a true contender in the competitive mid-sized cruiser market. Let's start by talking about what makes this bike stand out in terms of design. Honda continues to maintain that timeless classic cruiser appearance that we've all come to love in the Shadow series. The 2026 model features a low-slung minimalist style, with subtle modern touches that still preserve its vintage cruiser vibe. The tank, which is one of the most recognizable elements of the Shadow, is a sculpted piece of art, giving the bike a strong road presence without being overly aggressive. It's sleek but muscular. It speaks to both newcomers and experienced riders alike. And of course, the attention to detail is top-notch. From the chrome exhaust pipes to the intricate spoked wheels, Honda's dedication to craftsmanship is evident. One of the things that riders of the Shadow 750 have always appreciated is how easy the bike is to handle. This is a motorcycle that doesn't demand an advanced skill set to enjoy. Even beginners can feel confident riding it, thanks to its well-balanced frame and relatively low seat height. The 2026 model continues that tradition with a seat height of just 25.7 inches, making it an ideal choice for riders of various sizes. Whether you're someone who's new to the world of motorcycles or a seasoned rider, the 2026 Shadow 750 offers a comfortable and accessible riding experience. Now, let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is powered by a 745cc V-twin engine. This engine has been a cornerstone of the Shadow series for years, and for good reason. It delivers just the right amount of power to give you a thrilling ride without feeling intimidating. The engine's smooth performance is ideal for cruising at highway speeds, but it also has plenty of low-end torque to give you that satisfying pull when you need it. For those of you who are familiar with Honda's V-twin engines, you'll know that the brand has worked hard to refine this powerplant over the years. The 2026 model incorporates a fuel-injected system that ensures smooth throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Gone are the days of struggling with carburetors and all the maintenance that comes with them. This fuel injection system helps ensure that the bike runs cleaner, starts faster, and maintains consistent power throughout the rev range. Another important feature of the engine is its reliability. Honda has earned a reputation for creating motorcycles that last, and the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is no different. Riders who have owned older models of the Shadow series will appreciate the continuous improvement in engine quality. You can expect years of smooth and dependable rides with minimal maintenance. In terms of performance, the 2026 Shadow 750 doesn't disappoint. It offers a smooth, comfortable ride, whether you're cruising through the city or heading out for a long-distance ride. The bike features a 5-speed transmission, giving you just the right amount of control over your speed and performance. With this transmission, you get seamless shifts, and even at highway speeds, the engine remains smooth and vibration-free. Speaking of comfort, the 2026 model continues to offer a comfortable experience for both the rider and the passenger. The low seat height ensures that you're seated in a relaxed and natural position, while the suspension system provides a cushioned ride. The rear suspension is twin shock, while the front features a telescopic fork, giving you the right balance of comfort and handling. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, you'll appreciate how the bike absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road. Now, if you're planning on taking longer rides or touring with the 2026 Shadow 750, there are a few upgrades that make it more touring-friendly than previous models. For starters, the new seat design is a major improvement. It provides more support and cushioning, making it easier to stay comfortable on long trips. The improved ergonomics of the bike make it easier to maintain your riding position without straining your back or wrists, which is a common complaint among cruiser riders. Honda has also worked on the bike's ergonomics, offering handlebars that feel natural and easy to reach. Riders of all sizes will find the 2026 model to be comfortable for long hours of riding, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways. Speaking of handling, let's talk about how the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 handles in terms of cornering and maneuverability. One of the main advantages of this bike is how light and agile it feels for a cruiser. Unlike many other cruisers in the same category, the Shadow 750 is incredibly easy to handle. You won't feel like you're struggling when it's time to make tight turns or navigate through traffic. This is a bike that encourages you to ride with confidence, whether you're taking it out for a short ride or embarking on a long journey. In terms of stopping power, the 2026 Shadow 750 is equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. The braking system provides excellent stopping power, giving you the confidence to ride without worry. The braking performance is predictable and smooth, making it ideal for both experienced riders and those who are just starting out. Let's move on to some of the tech features that come with the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. While this bike is certainly built with simplicity in mind, it doesn't skimp on modern features. The 2026 model comes with a digital LCD display that shows your speed, fuel level, and other essential data. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and provides all the information you need without cluttering the handlebars with unnecessary gauges. Additionally, the bike comes with a comprehensive lighting system, including bright headlights and LED tail lights for improved visibility, especially at night. The addition of LED lights is not only more energy efficient, but also provides a sharper, more modern aesthetic to the bike. As we wrap up our review of the 2026 Honda Shadow 750, it's clear that Honda has made a lot of improvements without sacrificing the key elements that make the Shadow such a popular cruiser. From the smooth V-twin engine to the refined design and enhanced comfort, this bike is a great option for a wide range of riders. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first cruiser, an intermediate rider looking to upgrade, or an experienced rider who values comfort and reliability, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is a fantastic option. It offers the perfect balance of performance, style, and value, all backed by Honda's renowned reliability. If you're in the market for a cruiser that is easy to ride, has plenty of power, and delivers an enjoyable riding experience, then the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 should definitely be on your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. What do you think of the updates? Would you consider adding this bike to your collection? And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all of our future reviews, riding tips, and news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe out there.